well and fit to do today's lesson. So today we are going to do the work which will be laying the fabric and the pattern. So you need today scissors, pins, measure tape, tailor chalk, and the pattern you did last week, and the fabric. So if you don't have a fabric, you just look at my video and then you can use any old bed sheets or anything, you can carry on with that one. So what we need, last week we did front and the back. So when you are making pajama, you need only back pattern, not the front pattern. So you leave away the pattern away, only the back you need it. And the fabric, you got that. So that's called selvage. You double. So when you are doubling, make sure the right side of the material goes in. Yeah, you fold it like that. So you double the fabric and then again fold second time this way. So you got 4 pieces. I'll show you how you'll do when I finish my folding. Pajama, you can use the material like cotton, not the silk or anything else. Just use the cotton so it's comfortable to wear. So you put it like that. Yeah, so when you've done it, make sure it's nice and flat. If you need iron, you can do iron. If you don't need iron, that's fine. So I lay out, and if you can see, it's 4 pieces. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you are doing it, that's the fold side. Make a habit of putting fold side towards you and the open side the opposite. Now we are going to take the back of the pattern. You lay out from there, yeah, the pin. So if your material is not straight, make sure you take it out and then like that. So you can put few pins to support and make sure it's just on the edge of there. Yeah, and then use your chalk to follow the pattern. So when you are putting your fabric under the pattern, you always draw this, so it gives you a good guideline so you don't make any mistake. And then you take the pin out, take your pattern out, yeah, and get the scissors. And you can start from anywhere which is comfortable for you. So you just go like that. And you always follow the chalk line. So you support with one hand and carry on to cut it. You see this, and it's fold one side, here is the fold, and here is the other side. So next week I'm going to show you how you are going to stitch it. Later you can use this. So if you don't have the paper pattern, you can use the ready-made pajama, and I'll show you how you can lay out. It's the same way. So you get the material, you fold the material. So again, again you're going to fold it same like you have done the other one. how you fold it. And then you got your pajama ready-made, not the pattern. So make sure it's nicely folded and done there. And then when you got your pajama, it's like that. So you hold it like that, fold it. Can you see ready-made pajama is back is longer than the front. So what we are going to measure is the back part, not the front. So you fold it like that, and same again. You see the folding, this is folding and this material is folding. So again you put it like that. So on the top you are going to leave extra for the elastic. So you lay out like that, flat completely, and take your measure tape. I told you we are going to use the back of the trouser pajama. So you measure 2 inch. Yeah, and then measure 2 inch, draw a line. Okay, so when are you doing there, what you'll do, you'll take exactly what's in there. So here, you have to stretch. So you have to leave extra for the elastic. So you stretch how much you need. So that's what the second line always is for stretching. And from the seam you leave 1/2 inch for the seam. So you just follow like that, leave little bit how much you are taking. And at the bottom also you leave 2 inch for folding. So this is your pattern from ready-made pajama, and you cut exactly how you cut the other one. So I'll show you. How you get your pattern. So by next week, if you can keep this ready, so I'll show you how to stitch it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.